Dude, this is like the 6th time you've been out already. I know, you're cute, dude. That's why I keep letting you out. Oh my goodness. I'll let you out one more time, okay? I say that, but it's like, yeah, we know what's gonna happen. He's been doing this all night. Don't go too far, turd, okay? Watch this. Alright, buddy. See you later. He's like, don't lock me out. This dude's a butt, man. I'm serious. Psst, psst, psst. Yeah, he's happy I let him out. It's just the whole neighbors thing, you know? Yes. Go on your little show, dude. I'm not exactly taking advantage of you, man. You know, I'm giving you what you want. Just, you know. See you later. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, he's freaking out now. Like, oh. Excuse me. Good Lord. Sorry. Sorry. Good gosh. Those real sneezes. Sorry. Good night. Sorry. Come on, baby. Come on. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Sorry. Darn it. Ugh. Gosh darn it. Sorry about that.